Howdy guys, in today's video we'll be having a basic overview of the user interface for FlexiSTARTER 19. But let's just have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here, so now in today's video, like I said, we'll be having a basic overview of the interface or the user interface. We won't be going into depth about what the buttons and that do yet, and the icons, but we will do that in future videos. So just a basic overview here. So first off, we have the menu or the main menu, which will be all these buttons on top here. So we've got the file, edit, view, arrange, text, effects, bitmap, window, and help. So whenever someone's speaking about the main menu, it will be referring to this section. Then next up, we have the toolbar. So in most cases, you would kind of see this whole area here on the left as the toolbar. But in the case of this program, it will be this first section. As you see the little dots, you move down and there's more dots. So all these tools here, they are part of the toolbar. Then after that, we get the view toolbar, which will be everything view related. And that will be under the toolbar. You'll have all your magnifying and so forth. Also the move. Then next up, we've got the actual status bar, which will be this the information in the bottom here. So if we zoom in here, we can see if we have a color, it will tell you which color it is, or if you're scaling something, or if we go far right here, it will also tell you what is your stroke set to and what is your fill set to. Then after that, we've got the crosshair position. So that will also be in your status bar. So if we move our mouse, you can see it there at the bottom. So if you have to get an exact location on your canvas, you can just move your mouse there, look what is the dimensions, write it down, and then you can actually use that. Then then we also have the, like I mentioned, the default the default colors, which will be at the bottom. So we zoom in here, that'll also be your default color. So if we change it, and let's say we set our stroke, stroke to another color. Not sure what happened there. Red. Now we can actually see it here at the bottom. So we've got the full, that's more of a maroon type red, and we've got the normal classic I don't know what you call that, fireman's red. I'm not that clued up with colors, my apologies. And then so then we've got the default colors there. Then next up, we've got the scroll bars, which, like in most programs, are these. You get your horizontal scrolling, you move this around, and then you get your vertical, which will be here on the right. Then we also have the switchable tabs, which will be the swatch tabs. Listen to me, switchable tabs. So it will be all your swatch colors here at the bottom. So this is the section of itself. It's not actually a part of the status bar. So when we're talking about swatch tabs, they'll be referring to that. Then also we have the actual border, which will be the border of the mat or the canvas, which, as you can see here, is this black line here that runs right around the dimensions of your canvas. In our case, it'll be here on the right, will be 42 centimeters by 29.7 centimeters. Then next up here, we've got the standard toolbar, which will be on top here. That's where you can find your basic stuff like copying and new folders or new files and so forth. Then after that, we have the rulers, which will be the measurements here on the left and right. And then you can also see, if you hover your mouse, there is a faint little line there indicating where your mouse is at on that ruler, and same with the horizontal or the vertical ruler. So you can easily go navigate here on your actual mat and see the dimensions there. And then lastly, then we've got the design area, which is this middle space. So all your designs, try keep them within this block, otherwise it won't be printed or so forth. So this is your design area. Otherwise, yeah, that is the basic overview of the user interface. Like I mentioned, we will be going into more depth about what everything does, but just a quick summary again. So we've got the main menu, we've got the main toolbar, view toolbar, status bar at the bottom, and we've got the crosser position. And if you move your mouse, you can see it at the bottom there. We've got default colors, which will be the bottom right. It's kind of what is currently active. Then we've got the scroll bars, which is bottom and right. We have the swatch tabs, which is this color palette here at the bottom, you can say. Got the borders, this black line around your design area. Then we've got the standard toolbar, which will be this top one. We've got the rulers, which is here along the left and the top. And then we've got the design area. Otherwise, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, this video and more like these videos are available here. And like I said, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. So yeah, you can just go check out what we've got. Otherwise, you can also isolate your search if you're looking for anything specific, or request a training video if you don't find what you're looking for. Then yeah, we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.